So my first thunderstorm and winds inside the container. Let's see how it goes. Let's see. Let's see how it's gonna go. It's raining just a little bit, but the clouds are intense. Ay, ay, ay. Let's see if our container stands to the storm. Again, first time was with me outside. It's easier, right? Now I'm inside. Oh my, first time inside. Turned on the generator to charge batteries because there is no sun, and let's see how long it takes. Ugh, giant storm coming. That will be ugly. Just more rain than anything, but I'm worried with the generator. Damn, it's getting ugly. Let's see if I can capture any thunder here.